From the Biography of a Story by Shirley Jackson. Shirley Jackson's short story The Lottery was published in the New Yorker magazine on June 26, 1948. When it ran, the magazine did not say whether the story was a work of fiction or nonfiction. Readers were confused. Was the story about a real event? They wrote to Jackson demanding an explanation. In a lecture titled The Biography of a Story, Jackson shared excerpts from some of the letters. Here's what Jackson had to say. People at first were not so much concerned with what the story meant. What they wanted to know was where these lotteries were held and whether they could go there and watch. Listen to these quotations. Where in heaven's name does there exist such barbarity as described in the story? Do such tribunal rituals still exist, and if so, where? Although we recognize the story to be fiction, is it possible that it is based on fact? I am interested in learning if there is any particular source or group of sources or fact or legend on which and from which the story is based. This story has caused me to be particularly disturbed by my lack of knowledge of such rights or lotteries in the United States. It seems like I remember reading somewhere a long time ago that was the custom in a certain part of France some time ago. However, I have never heard of it being practiced here in the United States. However, would you please inform me where you got your information and whether or not anything of this nature has been perpetrated in modern times? Are you describing a current custom? So, what was Jackson's reaction to the letters? If I thought this was a valid cross-section of the reading public, she said, I would give up.